Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Impossible Burger. Have you ever heard of it? Or have you ever tried it? Honestly, I tried it and I can say it's mind-blowing and maybe even life-changing, and I cannot really tell the difference between the Impossible Burger patty and the ground beef patty. And if I was to rate it, 10 being the highest, I would give them 9 over 10. It's because the price is much bigger or higher compared to a normal burger. So say for example, Burger King. They sell to a lot of Burger King branches all over the US. So a regular Whopper in Burger King is $4.19. Having 660 calories, while an Impossible Whopper is $5.59 and it has 630 calories. So I'm not really trying to be negative here, and I'm just showing the comparison between the prices and the calories for those who wanted the information. If you are an Impossible Burger consumer, you will sacrifice just 30 calories, okay, in exchange to a much higher budget, to a much healthier option. But if you have the budget and you don't care too much about how and what you eat, then go ahead and treat yourself. But wait, going back to what is the Impossible Burger. Impossible Burger is a plant-based product that mimics the qualities of beef. It's a modified soy-based veggie burger on another level. Since they started in 2016, they gained popularity as an alternative for meat such as sausages or pizza toppings at Little Caesars, or as burgers in fast food chains like Red Robin, Qdoba, Applebee's, Cheesecake Factory, and most of all, Burger King across the US. Earlier this year, about 7,000 food companies all over US were ordering the product. In fact, the demand of the product became so large, their supply was not enough to keep up with their regular orders. So they needed a financial boost in order to continue supply orders. This boost came from celebrities such as Serena Williams, Jay-Z, Trevor Noah, and Katy Perry. And that explains why she has that costume in Met Gala. Now let's start cooking Impossible Burger.